Hello, good morning. I told myself I'm not gonna cry this morning. I'm just going to document like what it's like having to travel with no car and having a toddler. Yeah. So today is my learner's permit driving exam. I have driving exam this morning. So I have to be on time. Like I said, they don't do late. We tried to get a taxi this morning, but because it's so rainy, the taxis are full. I gotta leave. I can't sit around and wait for a taxi, so I have to literally strap Aiden on my back in the baby carrier, and we're out here trying to get a bus. It's the first time ever that I'm putting Aiden on my back. Actually, I use the baby carrier in the front, but he's very heavy. Aiden is like 23 kilograms. So Aiden, leave that. He's like 23 kilograms. So I decided to try the back, and even though he's still heavy, the back carrying feels a little bit easier for me. And of course I have bag, my own body weight, and an umbrella that I am carrying. I'm sorry that the video is shaky, but I'm just trying to document this. Like, before a day like today, I would definitely be, Aiden, leave my hair clip. Before a day like today, I'd definitely be in tears because of how difficult this is, and then I'd have to traverse to work. But today I am using it as a motivation to pass my exam so I can get this license. So when I say this license is important for me to get, like, this is what I mean. It's absolutely important, especially if we're going to like grow our family and have a second kid, because I cannot imagine having 2 babies with no car. Impossible. So yeah, wish me luck today. Alright, say bye-bye, Aiden.
Bye-bye.
Not bye-bye, Aiden. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. Matane.
Natane.
Yeah, I got interrupted when I tried to like film this part. I am now in the apartment that they provide, and I think I was saying what happened this morning was because it was raining so hard, I was trying to get a taxi to my house to drop me at Aiden's daycare, because it is a very hard to travel with Aiden without the stroller, without the baby car, as they say in Japan. So I have to have Aiden in my arms, and I have to have 2 bags plus an umbrella. And I have to walk to my bus stop, then walk to the Heyyyyyy. So it's really a lot to get done. So I was really trying to get a taxi today. Adam was on the phone helping me to like get a taxi, but because it's raining so heavily, all the taxis were out, were unavailable. And so I had to make the decision to leave the house, or else I would be late. As usual, the bus comes late, and then when I checked the time, I was like, oh damn it, like I am not going to be able to ride the bus, get to the station, walk to Aiden's Heyyyyyy school, and then be back at the bus stop for the driving school car to pick me up. I'm not gonna have enough time. So I have to be on the phone now trying to find a solution, calling Adam to like ask him if he can stop what he's doing. I mean, he's gone to work. I was calling him to if he can stop what he's doing to like help me call the driving school, because his Japanese is better than mine. And if he's at work, he has like co-workers he could like quickly call on to help. To just call the school and tell them that I am close to the pickup point, but I need to drop my son off before they before they leave. Remember, in the beginning of this vlog, I tell you that being late is a no-no at this school. You are late, you can't do your classes. And then I don't know who else has scheduled a pickup, so maybe I'm the first pickup, somebody else is another pickup. So like I need to be on time, and I was panicking. Adam couldn't get to school because it's early, they're not open yet. And I was just backed up because today is my driving exam. It's the worst day to show up late, and it's the worst day to be tardy. So I was just like freaking out, but at the same time I had to think about a solution. So in the end, what I decided to do was, instead of proceeding to Aiden's school, drop him off and then be late for the pickup because the car would have left if it didn't see me on time, I just decided, you know what, let me just head to the car first and just tell the driver that I am running behind time because of the rain, so I need to drop my son at school first. If he can drop me there, perfect. If he can't, then I'll just have to miss the shuttle, and hopefully I can get a train and do all the things and still reach driving school in time. Anyway, he decided to just drop me at the school. It was like 3 minutes drive. It was very close in the vicinity, but obviously it took him off of the route that he had planned, which you don't want to be that person. You don't want to be that foreigner who always has a problem not being on time, blah 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 blah. And the truth of the matter is, I would have been on time had I just left the house, but I was really hoping to get a taxi, and that just didn't work out in my favor. And so yeah, the driving school car dropped me at Aiden's school, and I got to drop him off, and then we were on our way back here, and I just lost it. You know, I just started crying because it's like, it's one of the most important days of my life right now. It's my halfway mark to actually getting my driver's license in Japan, and I was already nervous about the driving exam, and then, you know, thinking I was gonna be late, and just the hiccups, the rain, just the difficulty of it all, having to have Aiden on my back with bags, it's raining. It was just a really difficult thing to process in the moment, and it was just like a moment where you just feel like you're failing, where you actually just feel like life is just not fair to you. You know, that's just how I was feeling in the moment. Even talking about it now, I'm kind of like emotional about it, because it's like, you know, when you go through your life and you go through like a lot of shit, it's hard for you to pick out the good things that do happen, because if majority of things just always go wrong, it's very difficult for you to be positive in the moment. So in that moment, I just broke. I broke thinking about it. I broke thinking about how hard I am working to like get myself and my family out of, you know, a situation where it's so hard for us to travel. I'm working so hard, and I felt in that moment like the odds were against me. I was nervous for my exam, like all of that stuff, and yeah, I just lost it. I just lost it there for the entire journey. I don't know if the driver saw that I was crying, but I just couldn't hold back the tears. You know, worse, I was listening to worship music, and you know how worship music, like, you know what it does to your emotions already. So yeah, that's just where I was at this morning. And then I came to driving school, and of course there were no room for tears anymore. I had to get my head in the game. I had to focus and do all of that stuff. And then yeah, I had you see me smiling, so you know I'm coming with good news. But I did the learner's permit exam, and I passed, so I officially have my Japanese. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. It's a big deal, guys. This is a big deal. It's really a big deal. It's really a big deal. Like, some persons may not understand, but this is a big deal. So I officially got my my Japanese learner's permit, student license, whatever. So I can officially drive on the roads of Japan, but of course with a experienced licensed driver, someone that's had their license for over 3 years. I can drive the car if they're in there outside of school. So yeah, I did it. It's so hard, but I'm doing it. I'm doing it, and I did it, and I'm proud of myself because, like, some experiences that you have, it just really shows you just how strong you are, and I'm really proud of myself. I don't say that a lot because I'm not really used to people telling me, you know, you're doing a good job or I'm proud of you or not. I'm not used to that kind of affirmation, but I am putting in the work. I am working very hard. I am working very hard, and I'm halfway there. I'm halfway there. Thank you, Jesus. I have officially passed stage 1 of getting my Japanese driver's license. So my next class today is at 4:35, and it's a driving class, and I will be going on the roads of Japan. Yeah, to test that out. So sorry y'all can't see that, but I am excited and also nervous to like just go out there, see what the real road is like, because that's where the true test is. Like, that's when you know if you have really learned anything. Like, in the past week that I've been here, is like going on the road and seeing exactly what it is like to have a bunch of cars, a bunch of people, bicycle, like all the things. So excited to do that later. And yeah, that's the update I have for you right now. I probably will not vlog again for today, so I guess I'll see you maybe tomorrow, or actually maybe not tomorrow. Tomorrow is my busiest day here at driving school. 8 hours of driving school, and I am in classes for 7 hours. Only off for lunchtime. So tomorrow's gonna be very busy. I doubt I'll be able to take up the camera. But yeah, it's the halfway mark today. I got my driver's license permit, my learner's permit in Japan. And it's been 1 week of the 2-week course. Next week, this time, I should be graduating from this school, and then the only thing I'll have left to do is to take the final written exam at the license center. So yeah, I did it.